Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to turn off autocorrect in MS Word. If you find this video helpful, then please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. It really helps us a lot. Okay, let's dive in. Now, first of all, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Now, after opening it, click over here on top left corner on File. Now click on Option on bottom left corner. As you can see. Now here, select Proofing. Okay. Now click on autocorrect options. You will see an interface like this. Click on Maths autocorrect. Now uncheck this box, replace text as you type. Uncheck this. Okay. And click on OK. Again, click on OK. That's it. You're set to go. Your autocorrect option is off now. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching.